everyone, this is Courtney from Ava. Today we want to discuss how you track your store's performance with Ava's analytics on our Operations Center. We'll focus on top ASINs, ASIN segmentation, and year-after-year daily sales. The aim of the top ASINs page is to show your top 10 selling ASINs with a comparison of custom date ranges so that you can understand your best-selling products, make business decisions, and decide which products to replenish. On the left-hand side here, you'll see the ASINs of your top 10 products. If you hover over your mouse over the bar next to it, it would display the sales data for the given period of time with a comparison of previous time frames. You can always bring your mouse to the top right of the diagram here and change the date from 60, 30, 14, or even 7 days. Keep in mind that you can always export this information by clicking on this button here. To see the detailed information for a specific SKU, click on the bar and scroll down to see your best-selling products. You can even click on the best-selling products and it'll bring you to an interactive screen so that you can see the product details and displays right here. So, pricing and buybacks, order and inventory, profit analytics, and similar product pricing. Let's go to the ASIN segmentation page. Here we are. Ava is dividing your ASINs into 4 different categories. Top selling ASINs means 20% of your revenue comes from selling these products with the highest sales. The medium selling ASINs means the next 20% of your revenue from selling these products with the second highest sales. The lowest is the lowest 20% selling ASINs, and lastly, the others means the remaining 40% of your revenue comes from selling these products. This information will allow you to make business decisions while replenishing your inventory easily. And the last stop is the year-over-year daily sales. So similar to daily sales, the only difference here is that we compare today with the last year's today. Again, you can hover your mouse over the graph and see some details, and you can also click on it and scroll down to see the details for that day and the same day a year prior in comparison. So right here, you'll see this day and then a year ago, this day. And don't forget, you can always export this information. We hope that this was helpful to have a better idea and understanding of the analytics of your store. You can follow our other videos and get more insight on the Eva platform. Thank you.